I record this shit.
Yeah, we fell in love on that.
Oh, thank you. Back tomorrow, man.
Yo, why the hell
You and Harold was in front of the box.
Hell yeah.
I can help you.
Come on, Harold, go through it!
We're going to go all the way up here.
Dude, we ain't gonna make it. That's going like 100 freaking mile an hour. Dude, we're not gonna make it if he goes in that. We're not gonna make it if he goes through that. No, we ain't gonna make it. Oh shit, we gonna die. Oh my freaking god. Yeah, we's going through it. Oh my god. This shit's on YouTube, man. I had to. This shit's on YouTube. This shit's on YouTube. Yeah, we floating.
Hey, look, some stairs.
Good thing there's a lot of weight. Holy shit. I am putting it on YouTube. There's a tree. Holy shit.
SUV my ass.
Holy hell.